guys, so looking backside. Ready? Paddle forward, harder. Forward. Stop. Backward, back pedal, back pedal, back pedal. Alright. Stop. Paddle forward. Go with the flow. Faster. Doing hard, doing hard. Keep trying guys. Good paddle, good paddle. Faster. Move, 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 move. Paddle hard. Paddle hard. Faster. Come on, come on, come on. Do forward, do forward. Faster. Wow, guys, very good. Sir, why are you stopped, man? Hello, let's run. I think you're tired, huh? Hello. Just only rapid time doing paddle and again I'm calling you stop and take a rest, guys, please. You are stop on rapid, guys, going wrong side. अभी पानी में अभी आवाज लगाओगे आप मुझे बचाओ बचाओ करके क्योंकि देखो ना कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग रैपिड है paddle forward faster move paddle hard go fast all right stop okay paddle back forward, faster, faster, forward. Forward now everyone, faster. Paddle hard. Alright, very good. Good one, faster. Yes, go with the flow. Alright guys. Okay, look at the camera. Are you okay? Alright, rapid is completely. Find it and it's it. Take a breath. Take a rest. Alright. Okay. First time is good paddle, not bad. Forward, faster. One more. Come on. Yes. Stop. You can press the raft, guys. You can pull the raft. Paddle back paddle. Good paddle, guys. Okay, stop, guys. Relax. Okay guys, this called boiling water. Too dangerous, like boils. Too much scary. This water is like क्या बोलते हैं उसको उबल रहा है ना पानी उधर boiling. Yes. Okay, and stop guys.